Whether you're an avid adventurer or a weekend camper looking to elevate your outdoor experiences, the latest ingenious camping inventions are transforming the way we connect with nature. These innovative gadgets blend practicality with a touch of high-tech flair, ensuring that every camping trip is both comfortable and unforgettable. From multifunctional gear that simplify setup and storage to eco-friendly solutions that help preserve our natural playgrounds, the new wave of camping equipment is all about enhancing convenience without sacrificing the spirit of adventure. Dive into this guide and discover the inventive tools that are redefining outdoor living. Each one promising to make your next expedition not just a trip, but an experience to remember. THECATAL Smart Shell. THECATAL Smart Shell redefines tailgate camping with unmatched innovation and design. Engineered as the world's first tailgate tent, compatible with both electric and gasoline vehicles, this versatile shelter connects seamlessly to your vehicle's AC system, ensuring year-round comfort. Crafted from durable silicone-coated ripstop 70D nylon fabric, it boasts robust weather resistance while weighing just 26 pounds for effortless transport and setup. Designed to sleep 2 to 4 adventurers, the Smart Shell combines functionality with luxury in a compact form. Currently available at a sale price of $769, it offers exceptional value for truly high-tech outdoor living. Agawa ADK26. Agawa Canyon's ADK26 Transforming Camp Hatchet and Forest Axe is a revolutionary 2-in-1 tool priced at approximately $225. Expertly engineered for true versatility, it serves as a 14-inch hatchet for carving and converts into a 26-inch forest axe for heavy splitting. The axe head is drop-forged and hardened 516 zero-carbon steel with a black oxide finish for excellent rust resistance, while its fiber-reinforced nylon handle ensures durability and low vibration. Weighing 2.1 pounds as a hatchet and 2.5 pounds when extended, this compact tool packs neatly into a Cordura sheath, making it an essential asset for any adventurer. Exodus Capax. Exodus Capax is an innovative, garageable pop-up camper designed for modern families seeking luxury and efficiency on the road. This hard-walled, collapsible trailer expands from a compact 6-foot height to an impressive 112 inches, featuring 14 windows for natural light and a versatile interior that comfortably sleeps up to 5. Under the hood, it boasts a GVWR of 7,500 pounds with a 1,000-pound payload, integrated smart touchscreen controls, axle-less air suspension with up to 19.5 inches of clearance, and advanced power management with 400 amp-hour lithium batteries and 3,000 watts inverter. Pricing starts at $120,000 for the base model, scaling up to $160,000 for the top platinum trim. Flair GO. Flair GO redefines portable espresso with its innovative foldable lever design perfect for camping and travel. Crafted from aircraft-grade forged 6061 aluminum and milled stainless steel, this compact machine collapses to just 3.5 by 7 by 3.25 inches, yet unfolds to 12 by 5 by 10.5 inches, or 20 inches with the lever fully raised, to deliver cafe-quality espresso anywhere. Offering dual brewing options, either with pods or freshly ground coffee, the Flair GO features a built-in pressure gauge and essential accessories, all fitting neatly into a compact carrying case. Available on Kickstarter for only $125, it's a budget-friendly, travel-ready solution for outdoor espresso enthusiasts. Flextail Tiny Sleeping Pad. The Flextail Tiny Sleeping Pad redefines camping comfort with its compact design. Weighing only 300 grams and featuring a generous 66 by 20 inch sleep surface with a thickness of 0.75 inches, this pad delivers exceptional support on rugged terrain. Constructed from high-density EVA foam with a durable, water-resistant cover, it ensures reliable performance in all conditions. The pad folds into a sleek pack measuring 8 by 4 by 1 inch, making it easy to stow and carry. Priced at an affordable $50, the Flextail Tiny Sleeping Pad is a must-have for campers seeking comfort, portability, and durability. Overall, it's outstanding. Gozney Tread. The Gozney Tread is a game-changing portable pizza oven built for outdoor culinary adventures. Engineered for adventurers, it features a revolutionary lateral gas burner that replicates a wood-fired flame, reaching up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes and cooling down within 20. Its compact design measures 16.5 by 19.1 by 12.6 inches externally, with an internal cooking surface ideal for a 12-inch pizza, thanks to a durable 12mm cordierite stone floor. Weighing only 29.7 pounds, it's lightweight yet rugged. Priced at $500, the Tread is the perfect blend of performance and portability for the modern outdoor chef. Aurrino Prima. The Aurrino Prima is a groundbreaking camping invention that redefines outdoor convenience. Weighing only 1.5 kilograms, it unfolds effortlessly into a versatile shelter measuring 6.5 by 4 feet, offering a comfortable sleeping area and ample storage. Engineered with a weather-resistant, tear-proof exterior, it includes integrated solar-powered LED lighting and a detachable 10,000 mAh power bank for essential charging. Its quick setup time of under 3 minutes ensures campers spend more time enjoying nature and less time assembling gear. Priced at $300, the Aurrino Prima delivers unmatched quality and practicality for modern adventurers. Simply a must-have camping innovation. Flextail Tiny Repel. Flextail Tiny Repel is an ingeniously compact camping invention designed to keep insects at bay during outdoor adventures. Weighing just 200 grams and measuring 4 by 4 by 2 inches, this ultra-portable device features 3 adjustable repellent intensity settings, effectively covering a 15-foot radius. Its rechargeable battery provides up to 12 hours of continuous protection, and the unit is water-resistant, ensuring durability in all conditions. With its sleek design, it easily fits into any camping kit. Priced at only $40, the Flextail Tiny Repel is a cost-effective, high-tech solution for campers seeking reliable, long-lasting insect defense and essential for nature lovers. Makita Heated Blanket. The Makita Heated Blanket is a robust, versatile camping invention designed for chilly outdoor conditions. Weighing only 1.8 kilograms, it measures 60 by 40 inches, offering generous coverage and warmth. With 3 adjustable heat settings, its integrated rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers up to 4 hours on high and 8 hours on low, ensuring consistent comfort. Crafted from durable, water-resistant fabric, it features an automatic safety shutoff for peace of mind. Priced at $180, the Makita Heated Blanket combines performance and practicality, making it an essential accessory for any camper seeking reliable, portable warmth in harsh climates. Absolutely indispensable. UCO Cookit Camp Kitchen. The UCO Cookit Camp Kitchen is an innovative, compact outdoor cooking system perfect for camping and overlanding. Its modular design features a fold-out gas stove, a collapsible sink with integrated water reservoir, and a durable stainless steel countertop, delivering a fully functional kitchen in a 24 by 18 by 10 inches footprint. Weighing only 12 pounds, it is remarkably lightweight and portable. With ample storage compartments and a setup time under 5 minutes, it meets the demands of the modern outdoor chef. Priced at $300, the UCO Cookit Camp Kitchen is a smart investment for adventurers seeking culinary convenience in the wild. Naturehike Snap Chair. The Naturehike Snap Chair is a revolutionary camping invention designed for effortless setup and supreme portability. Weighing only 1.2 pounds, it features a robust yet ultralight aluminum frame paired with a high durability polyester seat, ensuring lasting comfort and stability. Its innovative snap mechanism unfolds the chair in seconds, delivering an 18-inch seat height and generous seating area while packing down to a compact size for easy transport. Ideal for camping, picnics, or backyard lounging, it provides exceptional convenience without compromising strength. Priced at just $40, the Naturehike Snap Chair is a smart, cost-effective solution for outdoor enthusiasts seeking quality and ease. Zero Breeze Mark III. The Zero Breeze Mark III is a revolutionary camping invention delivering powerful climate control in a compact, portable design. With a 5,280 British thermal units cooling capacity, 1,500 watts, and 5,800 British thermal units heating, 1,700 watts, it offers versatile modes: rocket, cool, sleep, fan, dry, care, and heating to suit every outdoor scenario. Its dual hose venting system, active drain, and efficient 500 watts input on a 48 volts DC platform guarantee reliable performance, while dimensions of 56 by 26 by 31 centimeters and a weight of 10 kilograms make transport effortless. Priced at $2,100, this unit is perfect for campers seeking energy-efficient, on-the-go comfort. Luno Sleeping Bag Comforter. Luno's Sleeping Bag Comforter is an innovative camping invention that redefines outdoor sleep. Priced at $300, this double-wide, water and stain-resistant comforter is designed for two, blending technical performance with a cozy duvet feel. It features a removable top layer, a full-length zipper for adjustable ventilation, and a built-in cushioned hood that doubles as a headboard or pillow. The lower section includes 1.5 inches of polyester batting, while the upper section contains 3 inches of synthetic fill, totaling 4.5 inches of insulation for warmth down to 27 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a carrying case and a 3-year warranty, ensuring exceptional durability. Alpargali Puffer Jacket. The Alpargali Puffer Jacket is an innovative camping invention designed for extreme outdoor conditions. Constructed from ultra-durable, water-repellent nylon and insulated with premium 90% duck down, it provides exceptional warmth with a temperature rating down to -20 degrees Celsius. Weighing only 600 grams, it features an adjustable hood, zippered pockets, and elastic cuffs for superior comfort and mobility. Priced at $130, this jacket combines lightweight design with robust performance, ensuring campers remain cozy and protected in harsh environments. Its versatile design and advanced insulation make it an essential gear for every outdoor enthusiast. Overall, it offers unbeatable value, exceptional performance, and reliability. UCO Ingalls Folding Knife. The UCO Ingalls folding knife is a brilliant camping invention that stands out for its robust design and precision engineering. Priced at $60, it delivers exceptional value with a 7.2-inch open length and a compact 4.5-inch closed length. The 2.6-inch D2 steel blade, finished in a rugged stonewash, offers reliable cutting performance with a 0.1-inch thickness and a lightweight 3.5 ounces profile. Its glass-reinforced nylon handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip, while the slip joint lock guarantees safe, effortless operation. Ideal for outdoor adventures, this versatile knife is a must-have companion for campers and explorers alike. Ninja FrostVault. The Ninja FrostVault is a revolutionary camping invention that redefines outdoor cooling solutions. At $130, it offers excellent value with its 45-liter capacity, robust high-density insulation, and compact dimensions, 24 by 16 by 14 inches, ensuring perishables remain chilled even in harsh conditions. Weighing only 20 pounds, this unit is portable enough for extended camping trips, and its 12 volts DC battery operation guarantees reliable performance on the go. The FrostVault's innovative design, sleek aesthetics, and durable build make it a must-have companion for campers seeking convenience and efficiency in preserving their food and beverages, an absolute outdoor essential. UDPOWER C500. The UDPOWER C500 is a game-changing camping invention that delivers reliable off-grid power with impressive performance. Boasting a 500 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, it provides 500 watts continuous output, 1000 watt surge, and features 2 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, including dual USB-C, and a 12-volt car port. Its compact dimensions of 10.6 by 7.9 by 8.3 inches and a weight of just 13.2 pounds make it remarkably portable. An intuitive LCD display shows real-time status, while versatile charging options include AC, DC, and up to 200 watts solar input. Priced at $500, the UDPOWER 500 is truly an essential companion for any outdoor adventure. Spacecamper Bike. The Spacecamper Bike by Camping Invention redefines mobile camping with innovative engineering. Built on the robust Rees and Miller load, 475 platform, it features a Bosch mid-drive motor with a 725 watt-hour battery, upgradable to 1450 watt-hour for ranges up to 100 miles. Its dual battery system, 14-speed Shimano Diore XT drivetrain, and front-rear suspension deliver performance at speeds up to 45 km per hour. The convertible module shifts from a cargo box to a folding lounge and bed, complete with a weatherproof top. Priced at approximately €9,550 for the turnkey package, it offers premium versatility for remarkably modern nomads. UCO StakeLight. The UCO StakeLight is an innovative camping invention that brilliantly combines functionality with durability. Designed with 6000 series aluminum and a water-resistant TPE housing, IPX6, these 9-inch stakes feature a built-in LED that delivers 17 lumens in area mode for up to 10 hours, or strobe mode for 24 hours, ensuring your tent is easily visible in darkness. Powered by a single A battery, the removable LED adds versatility, making it ideal for emergency lighting. Offered in a convenient 4-pack for $25, this smart and compact solution is perfect for campers seeking both safety and practicality. For every outdoor enthusiast. Pacofire 2. The Pacofire 2 from Camping Invention is a revolutionary tool that redefines outdoor adventure convenience. Engineered with a robust, water-resistant design, it combines a high-efficiency fire starter with a powerful LED flashlight, SOS emergency signal, and built-in compass. Measuring 8 by 4 by 2 inches and weighing just 1.2 pounds, its 2000 mAh rechargeable battery delivers up to 12 hours of continuous operation even in extreme conditions from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. With adjustable flame control and reliable wind resistance, the Pacofire 2 guarantees optimal performance. Priced at $130, it is an indispensable companion for any camping enthusiast seeking versatility and dependability.